While reopening schools is top of mind for many families right now, parents are also concerned about the bus ride too.
They sure are. News 6's Ezzy Castro is in Seminole County with more on the extra safety measures on buses to stop the spread of the coronavirus.
Transportation officials here at Seminole County Public Schools tell us they struggle every year finding bus drivers. And not only that, but they're still trying to figure out just how many students will be riding the bus this year.
I call a bus driver a teacher on wheels. The bus driver is responsible for the safety not only of themselves, but also every student that's on the bus, and also the drivers that's on the road. It's a thankless job.
Stan McKenzie with Seminole County Public Schools Transportation Services says they are in need of bus drivers. He explained it's typical to see a shortage every school year.
We have approximately 330 bus drivers.
Okay. How many are needed?
We're probably around 25 to 30 bus drivers short, but we're usually like that every year.
McKenzie says Transportation Services is actually working with Career Source Central Florida and other community outlets to recruit more drivers. There's even a banner hanging outside Winter Springs Elementary.
I think it's just the industry as well. It's nationwide that we have a shortage with bus drivers. It's not a Florida issue, it's not a Seminole County issue, it's a national issue.
We were there as bus drivers and students practice some of the safety measures that will be put in place once the school year begins. Typically, McKenzie says there's about 25 to 50 students on a bus, but says that number will change due to COVID-19.
After every run, the driver is responsible for wiping down every touch point on a bus. Every touch point is wherever a student makes contact with that bus.
And while Transportation Services continues to practice their safety plan out here, they say anyone who's interested in becoming a bus driver can apply on the school district's website. In Seminole County, Ezzy Castro, getting Results News 6.